If you're wanting a microphone kit on the cheap, you're in the right place, as today I'll be taking a look at this budget offering. The Piy Painting USB Microphone Kit. Yeah, the name just screams awesome quality, doesn't? But not all product performance is based on the name and packaging. The box it comes in is a basic cardboard box, and opening it up reveals a windscreen foam, a manual, the shock mount, clamp for mounting the arm itself, a USB Type B to Type A cable, the microphone itself, and a pop filter. Taking a closer look at the microphone, it's an all black metal finish and it's around the same quality as my Castaway mic. Speaking of, I never had a proper stand for my microphone, so I DIY'd one with a wire hanger. It actually looks pretty okay and works well, but it's nice to have a proper stand now. Setup is straightforward and was painless. It doesn't work great on my plastic Walmart table, but is still sturdy nonetheless. Everything else came together just fine, so let's see how good or bad this mic really is. Luckily, it's all plug and play, and seeing the audio meter more active was a good sign, as my old mic was pretty quiet. Anyways, let's have a listen.
Testing. This is a test recording for the Piy Painting USB microphone kit. I'm not entirely very close to the microphone, kind of just sitting normally at my desk with the mic fairly raised. One of the biggest issues with my older microphone is that there was a lot of interference coming from my PC's auxiliary ports. I'm not entirely sure if it's just because I don't have an I/O shield and my back of the computer is fairly exposed. I haven't covered it up, so that might be another factor. But hopefully this doesn't have the same issue that one had, as I know I've been getting a lot of complaints with that in a lot of my videos. The audio quality isn't too bad, but I do have to usually speak up. It's not very amplified. So hopefully this one is fairly audible. This is awesome. I'm no audiophile, mind you, so this isn't obviously the best of the best. You know, the Blue Yeti and others, but considering the issues my old microphone was giving me, I'll take it. And if you haven't noticed, I'm recording this bit of the video with the new microphone, so there is a bit of an upgrade to my audio equipment. Anyways guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any questions or suggestions, please let me know in the comment section. I'll do my best to get back to you. If you did enjoy the video, hit that like button, but if not, you know where to go. While you're there, consider subscribing to the channel and enable notifications for more quality tech videos. Anyways, thanks for watching and I'll see you later.